Hi everyone, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. I'm here to introduce you to the August Stamps in the Mail free card kit. This is not a club and there's no monthly commitment. I provide you with a card kit to make 8 cards, 2 each of 4 different designs. This month's cards center around the Time for Tea bundle, and I'm excited to show you what the completed cards look like. Let's head over to the stamp table. This month's card kit will revolve around the Time for Tea bundle, the Time for Tea stamp set, which is photopolymer, and the coordinating framelits to cut out these images. There are also some additional framelits in here that are not part of the stamp set to create some beautiful borders and scalloped frames. In your kit, I'm going to provide the free pre-cut supplies, so you'll get the free pre-cut designer paper and the cardstock pieces. I'll review the products that you'll need if you want to make your cards identical to mine, but you'll make 2 of this card and 2 of this one. This one is a fun fancy fold pop-up card. You'll also make 2 of this one and 2 of this one. These cards all use the Tea Room Specialty Designer Series paper here in the annual catalog. The papers are beautifully printed with an array of colors. The card kit to complete these cards is completely free with a $50 product order. The ordering dates are specific, August 8th through August 11th only, and you must use the exclusive Stamps in the Mail host code. It's the only way I know you're entitled to the free kit. You're going to need some supplies in order to create your cards if you want them to look identical to mine. But keep in mind your $50 product order can be anything that you'd like. You're going to need some ink pads. I used Memento ink for the black on my cards. You're going to need Old Olive ink, Calypso Coral, Rich Raspberry, Coastal Cabana, and Crushed Curry. If you don't have these ink pads, you can order what you'd like or use what you have at home. You'll also need to order the Tea Room ribbon. This ribbon is in a 2-pack and a beautiful metallic edge on this ribbon as well. I've used that. You'll also need a package of pearls because I use those on my cards. You'll need your basic stamping supplies. Of course, you're going to need your Big Shot to die cut with. You'll need basic stamping supplies such as your scissors, dimensionals, glue dots, and adhesive. I also used a pencil and a little bit of household Scotch tape. Keep in mind, you can order whatever you'd like, but these are the products that I use to create my cards. The best part about Stamps in the Mail with Lisa's Stamp Studio is that you're going to receive both a video and a PDF tutorial. The video walks you through step-by-step of making each card right along with me. The PDF tutorial includes numerous pictures of each card, a complete list of cutting dimensions, supplies, and step-by-step instructions. And as an added bonus, all of my Stamps in the Mail customers automatically receive a private invitation to my Live with Lisa event that's held on Facebook. During this live event, I provide 2 live demonstrations as well as a bundle of free tutorials. During that event, I also do what's called Product Prize Patrol, where I give away free product. Now, if you're not on Facebook, don't worry. Your name is automatically included in the prize drawing, and I can send you the video recording of the event and the tutorials via email. Just let me know when you place your order. Remember, the special ordering dates are August 8th through August 11th, and I have a promised mail date no later than August 18th. You must use the exclusive Stamps in the Mail host code. You're going to be able to find all the information if you're here from YouTube down in the link of the video below in the description bar. I hope that you'll join us for the August edition of Stamps in the Mail, the Tea Room Bundle.